Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Priyal. I'm back here again with another Urbanic haul video. Now this video is something that my friends gifted me for my birthday, but I wanted to create a haul video of it and wanted you guys to see it, what all I got. And those are all the trendy tops and tees from Urbanic. So I'm gonna show you one by one. So if you're interested, please keep watching. Also, if you don't follow me on my Instagram, you can follow me right there. Also, if you love watching such sort of content videos, you can subscribe to my channel. Mostly all the clothes are in white, which I love. But there's one tee that is in black, so I'm gonna start off with that one. And this is the tee, and you might have seen this on Urbanic app a lot, because even I did, and I had put it in my wish list, and I'm so glad I got it. The only thing is that it is cropped, okay? It's not that big also, but in the picture, as you can see, it is like quite cropped. So I had also thought it would be cropped, but it is not that much cropped as shown in the picture. So accordingly, if you want a cropped tee, so then only you can go for this one. If you are comfortable with a bit longer one, you can still go with this one. And the material is also cotton, so it's very comfortable, not at all itchy, and I love it. I'm gonna rate it 8 on 10. I literally keep all my white tops in the Urbanic transparent packet as I'm so scared of them getting dirty. Okay, so the next one is very nice and very trendy. It is like a jacket come top, which is very cool, and it's in white, so love it. You can see it has a halter neck pattern and it's very comfortable. The material is not cotton, but it is not that itchy material either. So yeah, it's a bit translucent, so you need to wear something or the other below it. So yeah, that's it. I'm gonna rate it a 9 on 10 just because of its transparency. I'm giving it a 9 on 10 because you need sometimes jacket to cover up your top, so it can't cover up that. But otherwise the pattern and everything else is perfect. Okay, so the next one is my favorite one, this white top, and it is so comfortable, you guys, trust me. And it's cotton and very comfortable, and I just feel like myself after wearing this. So I really love this one. Very comfortable, and you can style it with so many outfits as it's white and it's like of this pattern. So I love it so much. I'm gonna give it a 10 on 10. Okay, so the last one is also very pretty, and this is it. And there are butterflies on it, and it's a very cute tee, and it is quite cropped, but it looks so amazing. Like if you're wearing a high-waisted jeans, it will look amazing. And I love this one. The material is same as the one I showed before, so it's very comfortable, and I would highly prefer you. And they have a lot of colors in this one also, and in the previous top that I showed you, they had a lot of colors in that, so you can check it out. I hope you liked this video. If you liked it, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, comment, press the bell icon, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!